Hello, my name is Mirjan Hipolito. I am an analyst and investment consultant, and I have been working in the financial markets for many years. During this time, I have tested quite a number of different courses and educational programs, so I would like to share my opinion about the training offered by TeleTrade. I can say with full confidence that the education at TeleTrade pleasantly surprised me. The programs are very well structured. There is something for both complete beginners and those who already have experience in trading. The materials are presented clearly, without unnecessary information. It's immediately noticeable that the focus is on real-world trading practices, not just on theoretical concepts. The variety of formats is another big advantage. There are free webinars where you can quickly refresh your knowledge or pick up new ideas. Practical seminars give you a chance to immerse yourself in real market situations and practice strategies hands-on. Another important point, the education is not limited to lectures. There is a strong emphasis on practical application. This really helps students get into the subject faster and start trading consciously and confidently. I was also very pleased that there is an opportunity to receive support from specialists whenever needed. If you are just beginning your journey in trading, TeleTrade is an excellent place to start. And if you already have some experience but want to sharpen your skills and refresh your knowledge, you will also find a lot of valuable material here. Overall, the training at TeleTrade provides a solid foundation, focuses heavily on practical skills, and delivers the material in a clear and accessible way. I would definitely recommend their courses to anyone who wants to learn quickly, effectively, and without unnecessary bureaucracy.